This is the new version of the Stick Dulcimer making book, notes and plans. This is the wire-bound workshop edition. So it has the wire bound so it can open out flat. Images this time were in full color, coated paper, so it's thicker. And there's some lovely wood in full color, which I think really adds to the book. This book has the same plans to cut out and collate together. So the book follows the online course on YouTube with the QR codes, a link to each episode. It's printed in Britain and post and shipped around the world. Paperback back is still available on Amazon Direct. This is in black and white. And this is available worldwide, direct print on demand. So there's normally only a few days wait for this version of the book. It's exactly the same content, exactly the same plans at the back of the book. This is available printed in your own country, usually without import duties. The USA, Canada, Australia, France, Germany, it'll be printed in demand in the country of your origin. Whereas this version, at the moment, I can only print this in the UK. And there will be probably imports or shipping fees to pay. This is the new full color edition out this month, available now.